it says that complete the following conversion table from meters to millimeters. If we compare the quantity or the length of 1 meter with 1 millimeter, it is clear that 1 meter is larger than 1 millimeters. So in this table, some of the quantities are given in meters and we need to convert them into millimeters. And there are two quantities which are given in millimeters and we need to convert them back into meters. So let's first solve or discuss the conversions which involve the conversion of meters into millimeters. Since we are converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we will be required to multiply here. Okay. And how do we relate meters and millimeter? We know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters will be equal to 1 meters. Right. Now, if we have a quantity in meters, what we simply need to do now is we should multiply that quantity with 1000 and we will get the answer in millimeters. For example, this 4, if we multiply it with 1000, so we are writing here 4000 millimeters. Secondly, we have 1.06 meters. So 1.06, if we multiply it with 1000, so it is 1060 millimeters. And finally, we have 0.001 meters. If we try to convert it into millimeters, we need to just multiply it with 1000 and the answer that we get will be equal to 1. So it is equal to 1 millimeters. If we need to convert millimeters into meters, this time we are converting a smaller unit into a larger one. So we would be dividing here. We will divide the quantity with 1000 because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So the first quantity that we have over here is 800. So when we divide this 800 with 1000, it will be converted into meters. And the answer we get is 0. Okay, the next quantity is 11047 in millimeters. And we need to convert it into meters. So we will be dividing it by 1000. And the answer we get is the decimal point at the moment is here. It will move 3 digits to the left. So it will become 11.047. So answer is 11.047.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.